Okay guys, in this particular video we'll be adding sound effects to our videos. Alright, so you just come to new project, you pick a video you would like to add sound to. I want to pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one, and you want to add sound.
Oh yeah, I have feelings.
I've showed you guys how to add sound effects, how to add sound. You come to audio, but for those of you who would want to be creating funny videos and you want to add sound, funny sounds, I have some packs of sound that I'll be giving you guys also. Let's see, these are some of the sounds. Then you can still add sound effect again on device. Let's use this Brother Shaggy.
Thank you.
So what you have to do now, look for a moment where you feel this shock you can fit into in the video, and I think where she said "Ta get out."
Thank you. I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you.
That part should be the part where it fits in.
Feelings for you. Thank you. I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you.
Yes, that is how you can add a clip, a sound effect. Or if you don't want that giggle, you split, delete this side, then bring only the shock you.
You have feelings for you. Thank you.
You can copy this, click copy, then you drag, okay, here.
Thank you. I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you. Thank you.
That is how, even you've seen some clips where they do gunshots or an explosion. Yes, you can look for sound of explosion and add. If the clip doesn't have the sound, you can add yours. So that is how to add sound effects to your videos. See you in the next class.